Welcome to our story of resilience and hope. When hurricanes strike, they often leave communities in darkness. But the latest generation of solar generators are bringing light and life back, offering a beacon of hope to those affected. After a hurricane, power outages can last for weeks, leaving communities vulnerable. Losing access to critical appliances, devices, and tools can make the situation much worse. Portable, renewable power can make a huge difference. Solar generators provide a reliable and sustainable solution for post-disaster recovery, powering critical appliances like power tools, refrigerators, cell phones, and air conditioners. Real-life examples, such as Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria, show the impact of solar generators. Portable power systems powered medical equipment, communication devices, and shelters, saving and transforming lives in affected communities. Blackouts from natural disasters are a fact of life today in most communities, and the role of solar generators in disaster response will only grow. Access to cheap, renewable power will transform how we respond to disasters, saving lives and rebuilding communities. The future of disaster response clearly lies in renewable energy. Solar generators are crucial in this shift, offering a sustainable way to power communities and ensure resilience in the face of natural disasters. If you live in a disaster-prone area, we encourage you to purchase a solar generator to keep your most critical appliances running during the inevitable blackout. Please also consider supporting organizations that provide solar generators to affected communities. Thank you for joining us in exploring the power of solar generators to save lives. To learn more about the best solar generators for protecting your home after a natural disaster, check out our website, solargenerator.guide.